Today I'm going to show you the best golden apple farm, I think, in Crimson Desert. And here we are located north of Demonis, and it's just near the town of Terev. And so there's Demonis right between the M and the E. If you just go straight up there, straight up north, you'll find this little spot right by Terev, town of Terev. And right where my little marker is this little field. And that's where we want to go to. And then if you run up here, there is this little patch I forget what it is, the type of plant it is. But you'll find all these little hedgehogs here, and every once in a while you will find the hedgehog that is carrying the golden apple. All right, so you're just going to walk on through back and forth. Oh, there's one right down there. And then you're going to either shoot them with an arrow, or you can also, I think, use the blinding flash, and then they'll just drop the apples if you don't want to kill the poor little hedgehog. But the hedgehog, you can skin them and actually get some little bones and some meat from it if you want. So before I filmed this video, or when I filmed this video, you had to put on your mask to steal the apple. And since the latest patch, you do not need to do that anymore. It is not considered stealing. So you don't even have to worry about putting on the mask or anything. And then once you run back here, everything kind of resets. Okay, everything resets, and then the hedgehogs are back. So you just go walking back and forth through the plants, and you'll just find a bunch of hedgehogs running around. And almost every time, you'll find a hedgehog carrying a golden apple. There's one right above there. I just saw it. I think I saw one above. Maybe not. Yeah, and then sometimes I'll just come over here and over the edge and see one. It's kind of easy to see during the evening time as opposed to during the day, depending on the type of day. I thought I saw one, maybe I missed it. But just run back here and everything will reset. And then you can go on and walk back through the little field of flowers and then try to look for another one. So this whole process, you can rack up a bunch of apples in like 15 to 20 minutes. And then you can use those and turn those into gold bars if you want, or you could use just the gold apples and sell them. I think they sell for like 112 or 113 silver pieces, something like that. And then if you turn them into a gold bar, it's like 190. I think there's one down here. Where did he go? Maybe not. So sometimes you'll have to just go back and forth. Sometimes they're just hard to see and they escape you. So there could have been one that just escaped me. And if you can also walk this other way, and they'll walk the other way. But I find that it's easier to lose them when you go this way, because they get lost in the forest really easy. But anyway, let's turn around and go back to the field here. There's one right by me, right down there. I'm just going to shoot this guy with my arrow. Poor little guy. Oh well, I'm going to skin him and show you what you get from skinning him. You'll get some small bones, lean meat, and thin hide. So we need that stuff anyway, so it's worth it just to kind of kill him and get the stuff to upgrade our other things with that stuff. So there you go. I'm going to show you kind of at daytime. Especially at this time of day, like near, what was it, about 2 o'clock, it's kind of hard to see with all the shadows and stuff. And so during dusk or in the morning is a little bit easier than midday like this. But I kind of wanted to show you the difference of doing it daytime versus nighttime. There's one right up there. Got him with my arrow. And then pick up that golden apple. So there you go. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if it's helpful. Let me know if you already knew about this apple farm. Until next time, take care and happy gaming, everyone.